All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for the likes yesterday. So if you don't mind dropping another like on this video before you forget, I'd appreciate that. It would greatly help out the channel. Anyways, moving into today's video, I finished up the panel here from yesterday, which was the only thing left in this room that I was working in, and then still have to put the mud rings on. I didn't get a chance to do those. And then starting the second unit, went ahead and ran the home runs for that. So got all those coming down the wall right here, and then went ahead and mounted the home run helpers and got those strapped all the way back to their desired locations. These first 6 are going to the kitchen for the kitchen 1 circuit, kitchen 2 circuit, microwave range, aka the stove, and then the dishwasher and the disposal. So those turned out pretty decent, and then I got those all strapped and started making up the kitchen a little bit at the end of the day, just to keep busy, and then I'll keep pulling wire tomorrow. I don't know why my voice is going out. So anyways, got the kitchen 1 on the right side, and then a switch box for the disposal with another plug in the middle with the mud ring, and then the left top box is the microwave, the bottom left box below that is the range, and then the disposal plug is a little bit to the left of the disposal switch with the mud ring. And then off of the kitchen 1 circuit, got this dining room plug right here. And then moving on, got the washer, dryer, and the water heater. These are loose across the ceiling because the heating guys keep getting mad because all our wires in their way, so we leave them a little bit of slack to be able to put their ducting up, and then I can strap it back later once they're done. So got the water heater running across the ceiling over here, and then there's a giant bag of insulation in the way, so I didn't mess with that, but got that all strapped down there, and then just have to strap it down the wall later once they move the insulation. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It would greatly help out the channel, and I'd appreciate it. And I'm 1 away from 4,400 subscribers. Don't forget to check out the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams, or if you want to watch past live streams, as they will be unlisted. Anyways, that's going to do it. Stay tuned for an update video about the union here shortly. Tonight, I will be uploading another video about that. So stay tuned for that. The last video blew up. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.